Welcome to new episode of my channel Shaheen's Kit. Today's recipe is for the chicken lovers, long awaited recipe. This is roasted chicken or tandoori chicken. Have a look how to prepare this very tasty, very tempting at home. Today we are preparing tandoori chicken, and for tandoori chicken the best size of chicken is 1 kg or 1.25 kg, not more than that. And see, we have got the cuts, deep cuts, so that the masala will penetrate it deeply. And wash this chicken with water properly and with vinegar, white vinegar. This will going to remove the smell. This is 1 cup of sour curd. Remove the water. This is also called hung curd. Thick curd, 1 cup. Four teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. And tandoori chicken taste when it is spicy, so we take things in little more amount, more quantity. This is 4 teaspoons of red chilli powder. This you can adjust according to your taste. If you don't like too spicy, reduce the amount. This is garam masala powder, ready-made one, 2 teaspoons. Lemon juice of 1 lemon. Adjust salt according to your taste. And this is orange red food color, tandoori color. And we don't have to put water, and put some black pepper. Now our marinade is ready. We are putting chicken pieces into it. Cover it nicely and keep it in fridge for at least 3-4 hours. Then you will enjoy the original taste. Today I am going to roast my chicken in this electric oven or tandoor. I am going to grease this foil paper. See, I have arranged these pieces of chicken, and now I am going to close the lid and check in between. After 4-5 minutes I am going to brush it with ghee and oil, which I have combined together. So it is going. See, the curd has started drying up. Now I am going to brush it with ghee and oil. You can see it has started shrinking, the mutton. That means it has started getting ready. My house is filled with the aroma of tandoori and brush it nicely. You can also do this on charcoal sikdi or on chulha. See, after 20 to 25 minutes, my tandoori chicken is ready. See, I have finished doing the roasting part, and now I am sprinkling chaat masala, and with this tandoori there is raita, onion and lemon. And enjoy, subscribe and like, and if you like, please share this recipe with your friends. Bye, see you.